On arrival at Villa Malvasio, enter the code you downloaded during registration to open the gate. You can park your vehicle in our private car park. Use a stall free of other vehicles. Outside, in our garden, you will find a fountain that you can use to rinse off the sand from the sea. You will also find a drying rack to hang out your towels, and you will find a smoking area. Smoking is prohibited in the rooms. To gain access to your room, you must open the main door using the electronic keypad and enter the code you received during registration. You will find your room key above the bedside table in your bedroom. Each room is marked with an identification number. Use the mosquito net, or adjust the temperature and fan of the air conditioning system by using only the power button, the fan button and the temperature button. Breakfast is self-service. In the breakfast room, each room has a table for exclusive use and also an exclusive compartment in the refrigerator. Breakfast is Italian sweet and is served from 7 to 11 a.m. On your table you will find a portion of homemade cake. Milk and orange juice in brick cartons are available to all guests. Use as much as you need and place it in the refrigerator. You will also find homemade yogurt and butter on your shelf. The coffee machine is switched on by pressing the power button. The coffee machine uses biodegradable paper pods. When the red light goes out, you can insert the coffee pod in the center of the machine, in the heated group. It is important to tighten the closing lever as far as it will go to prevent water from escaping. After brewing your coffee, take out the pod to dispose of it in the organic waste. To leave our property, press the open button on the iron gate and wait about 10 seconds for it to open. The gate will close automatically.